So month 3 is coming to a close tomorrow, and we made some progress. It was a little slower this month because I was really busy with other things. The guys were kind of busy with other things. It's spring, it's the beginning of summer almost, and it's when the weather's nice, there's more stuff to do, and everybody couldn't be at the house for 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. But the whole upstairs got painted. A lot of stuff kind of got done, and I didn't hit the goal that I planned. I had a goal of having the floors and walls painted by the end of the month. We're not quite there. Most of the walls are painted and no floor is laid down yet. Well, the den and the kitchen are almost done. Instead of trying to explain everything that's done, I'm just going to walk you through here in a few minutes. I'll just go down to the house and film and show you firsthand. But all in all, I am happy with the progress. The guys that are, doing this work are great. Chuck, Mike, and Mitch are all great. Got a lot of stuff already bought. Like the material for the inside of the house, to finish the inside of the house, is bought. I'm working on buying all the siding and J-channel and soffit and fascia for the outside. We have a new exterior door for the front door as well that we didn't put on yet. So I was hoping to have like that door on and maybe have the downstairs painted before I made this video, which I could have done probably tomorrow. But I figure like it doesn't matter. You guys get it. You're going to see the inside of the house hopefully done by the end of June. But we'll see. So I guess without further ado, let's just do a walkthrough of the house. So here we are at the front door. This would be from the front door's perspective if you're walking in. As you can see, the whole dining room or the whole living room has been drywalled. The ceiling is getting stuccoed or whatever. It's getting a pattern done to it. The dining room is all drywalled. What he had to go through, my guy Chuck, to get this ceiling and everything level, and I mean it was unbelievable, to make it be above the window up there. I mean, this had drop ceiling, I'll show the before and after, but this is almost ready for paint. I mean, he's got to put a light box up there, but I mean, he just has a couple more sessions of sanding, and I got to get this border off the top. But so that's living room. Dining room will go into the den here, and well, the kitchen is still the same. We need one tile down here. That tile needs cut for the vent, and then we need to grout and then trim, and then stuff's getting patched. Video always makes everything look better than what it is. There was a bunch of little divots and holes and stuff that we're patching up underneath the outlets where the mice, got to it. We got to fill those in. The den itself is almost floored. This corner over here where the wood burner is going to go, we're going to do a different pattern. We're going to do a gray there just for that platform, and then the rest is going to be black, and I'm going to be on it. And then obviously patchwork, drywall has been, we have to do all that. The ceiling is getting done literally tomorrow. I almost waited a day to film this just because that's getting done tomorrow, but I figured it is what it is. It'll just be in the next month. But new back door this month. Has a keypad on the outside, which is awesome. And this whole wall needs to be skim coated. I mean, all this is going to be prepped for paint this week. And obviously the living room and dining room are already ready, but the subflooring is still not done. The patch is done under there, but subflooring is still not done because this has kind of been the room where we're keeping everything. And then once the drywall is out of here, when the den is done, and once we'll get all this out of here and then we can lay the rest of the subfloor, which this room, just to do this section and the room itself, it will be very quick. The stairwell, as you can see, this needs patch a little bit. I painted the stairwell going up just to like see what it would look like after the wall was patched and everything, and it looks a lot better. The ceiling is going to get wood pattern on the ceiling, so it's not going to be that way. But up here, it's come a long way. I mean, the hallway, everything, the trim is all painted. It all has 4 coats on it. Chuck, he has these 2 pieces to go there. It's driving me nuts. That's the only trim that's not done up here. It's killing me, but he's gonna throw it on one of these days. Bedrooms are all painted, just ready for trim. They're subfloored. A little bit of subflooring needs done in the hallway here where I'm standing and in there, but then we have this other room. It's painted, needs ceiling, needs trim, a door, 2 doors actually, but doors are going to come last. Light fixtures. This room is about the only room that's pretty much done other than the floor. The trim is done. The ceiling is staying that way, and it has a light. So I bought matching lights for every room, and they're all getting done. But so every bedroom will have one of those. This one will come out here. The box is actually in there. I have to cut through the wall. That's another light switch. All this is getting wood pattern. All these ceilings are going to be dark walnut wood. This one is ready to hang, and I have the lights. I just haven't done it. In the hallway, I have one that comes from the ceiling. It matches those, but it just doesn't come out of the wall. It comes straight down. So that'll be done. Still have to trim out everything. The bathroom, that's going to be the last thing I do inside of this house. Walls are all good. Needs new tub surround, new toilet, new vanity, new everything. It's all gonna get done. New different tile. I might just tile this on and make it a walk-in shower. Not there yet. Not worth talking about because I'm just trying to get this done. But yeah, I mean, it's come a long way in 3 months, considering what we started with. It was really scary, and we're getting there. But I'm really excited about this dining room. It's almost ready for paint. We probably come in here. We have all the flooring. It's already purchased for the whole first floor, all throughout. It's beautiful flooring. It's nice Pergo. It's lifetime warranty. It's commercial grade stuff, and it's going to look great once it all comes together. We're almost there, but we have some little odds and ends, some scraping, some painting, some holes to patch. New light fixtures are coming in. I mean, every room is going to have new light fixtures. But even though that ceiling is dropped compared to this one, it's really hard to tell. Like, I mean, you can't even tell unless you have a stick roll in your pocket and you are up there trying to see. You'd never notice. And once this is all painted and trimmed out and the floor is done, I mean, this is going to be beautiful. I can't wait. All right, so that was the inside of the house and the progress as of today. It is May 30th, I believe, and it's the evening of May 30th, so I want to get this out either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I mean, it's coming along for not borrowing any money and not having a crew in there. We're doing the best we can with 3 guys on limited time, and we're all very busy. We have families, but it's getting somewhere, and it's exciting. Every room that I get near wrapped up, it's like I can see the vision is coming to life. Like it's all there. It's just some final touches, and I'll be so excited when I can pull into that driveway and the outside is sided and the yard looks nice, and it's just going to make such a difference. And then I'll worry about the little final touches later, like, furniture and stuff like that. Obviously, like, the house isn't near ready for that yet, but my goal for the end of June is to have flooring, flooring, ceilings, and walls done. Like the trim. I want the inside of the house to be done by the end of June. If it doesn't get done until the end of July, it's not the end of the world. I mean, we're making good progress. I mean, we're 3 months in on this hellhole. I mean, it's been horrible. I mean, it hasn't been horrible. It was horrible. It's been great. But I feel like, another 2 months, there's going to be some major progress. But we'll just have to see. But stay tuned, because there's a lot more to come. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.